The Magic Mouse is an entirely new kind of mouse. It's an incredibly precise point-and-click mouse. And at the same time, it has a top shell that's one big multi-touch sensor that lets you do more than any mouse ever has before. Magic Mouse works much like a normal mouse. You track and click just like you do today, but you can click anywhere. The entire surface is a button. Click the top right corner to right-click and activate a shortcut menu. Or if you're left-handed, set up your Magic Mouse to do the same thing in the top left corner. Magic Mouse takes scrolling to a whole new level. Run your finger vertically to scroll up or down a document or web page. It actually captures the rate of your scroll and continues with the momentum of your action. Move your finger horizontally to scroll left or right. You can also scroll a full 360 degrees to move within a document or photo. Magic Mouse is so smart, it can sense how many fingers you're using and how you use them. Swipe 2 fingers left or right to browse your music in iTunes or pages in Safari or your pictures in iPhoto. If you want to enlarge your screen view, you can also use Magic Mouse to instantly magnify your desktop. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard with one finger and scroll up to zoom in on your screen. Scroll back down to zoom out. To customize Magic Mouse so it's perfect for you, open System Preferences on your Mac and click on Mouse. You can set the tracking, scrolling, and double-click speed. Change the right-click for left-handed use. Or if you just want to use it as a point-and-click mouse, you can turn off all multi-touch functionality. To experience Magic Mouse for yourself, try one out at your local Apple store.